Hi, my name's Joseph Brennan and I took part in the Legal Research Access internship in summer 2022. I did my internship in the Office of the Attorney General.
Hi, my name is James Dunhill and I did the Access internship with the Law Reform Commission in 2021.
Good afternoon, my name is Jerry O'Shea and I've been asked to speak to you about the internship for the Law Reform Commission. I was the 2022 intern at the Law Reform Commission and it was a very enriching experience and one I would highly recommend you apply for.
As part of the 12-week internship, I was placed within the advisory side, which was split across 5 teams. I spent 6 weeks in 2 of the 5 teams. Each team was assigned specific areas of law. In the first team, one of the areas that was of the main focus was immigration and asylum, and in the second team it was planning and environmental law. As part of the internship, I sat in on weekly team meetings, assisted with research requests and completed case notes.
While working with the Law Reform Commission, I was exposed to a wide range of projects, but I primarily focused on the Adult Safeguarding project. I attended conferences and stakeholder meetings, and it really exposed me to the legal world and the formalities that are required.
In my time in the Law Reform Commission, I was attached to a team, the Compulsory Purchase Order project. But I had access to the other projects, the other ongoing projects. Also had access to the meetings with the commissioners, access to stakeholders.
I found the internship highly beneficial as I was about to start my Devlin year in October 2022. So I was able to seek advice from qualified barristers many of whom had pursued careers in the law library as barristers. So they were a great fountain of knowledge to seek advice on the first years at the bar. As well, I was able to see the different career paths outside of the courts that are open to qualified lawyers such as barristers.
The role itself allowed me to really improve my research skills and hone my writing skills under the supervision of researchers within the Commission.
Everything was really fascinating and I found it so enriching and so valuable to me. I learned about Teams, I learned about Excel, I learned about Word. I learned about how to do really good research techniques and also about really good writing techniques. It was a short internship, it was only 2 months, but I packed full of knowledge and packed full of experiences. Also, it was great fun. The people in there are so nice and it was very, very enjoyable. Something which was one of the highlights of my academic career so far. I would highly recommend you apply for it. I would highly recommend that you try and secure the internship. And if you are successful, it will be something you won't regret. The Law Reform Commission is a great place to do an internship. And it is something which I am so happy that I applied for and did.
For anyone that is interested in applying for the internship, I would advise that you take your time with the application. It can be quite lengthy and there's a number of competency-based questions which need to be answered in essay form. And again, ensure that all your relevant skills and experience are put across in those answers. The interview is similarly based on competency based, and knowing your answers inside out, knowing your CV and experience is highly beneficial in ensuring that you're successful through the interview process. Also, do your research, especially on the Law Reform Commission, and ensure you know how the body works, its role, and ensure you're able to answer any available questions. Finally, I would advise anyone from an Access background to apply for the internship.
If I have one bit of advice for prospective interns, it's to put yourself forward for all the opportunities that come your way while working with the Law Reform Commission, because it will really benefit you in your legal career and long into the future.
In the application process, read the application form really well. Focus on the competencies. So important that you outline exactly what you're going to bring to this internship. and then hopefully you could be successful in securing one of the spots.